bolt circle, we just key in 52362, and now it gives them a 130 millimeter bolt circle. Typically everything, most of the stuff we do uses a press-in style stud, so it's just a smooth, certain size hole depending on what the knurl the stud is. We do a lot of half 20 tap for screw-in stud, and we do 5/8 18 tap for drive stud. They're the only two sizes we ever tap. What's cool is if I pick my bolt circle, let's say a Chevy bolt circle, it grays out everything else. I pick smooth because I'm going to use press-in studs. The green ones are the 2, 4, 7 most common things we do out of all these bolts of these sizes. Those are preloaded in the machine. Turret Station 8 is our custom one. So if I needed a 550 hole, I could pick that, but I got to put the 550 bit in Station 8. If I want a 453 hole, I select that. It knows it's Station 2. Now when I hit back, you see these numbers are filled in, and all I do is hit generate code, and there was my G code written in that back.
So we wrote the G code and made that program the actual program.
And then at this point, if I want to say, you know what did I want to check something, I can hit minimize, and I can go back to there's actual position, and here's the G code that it just wrote. And we've got, he set it out to where, obviously parentheses, it doesn't read stuff from parentheses, but that tells it. We just created this program at 12:30 and 42 seconds. We asked for a 5-hole pattern with a Chevy, with a smooth, with a 453, and then it steps down. There's where it actually draws the picture of it doing it if you want to watch it, but then there's your G code for everything it does. And basically put the axle in, hit the green button, and it drills it.
Well,
very slick.
What I was going to say is,
yeah, I was going to tell them that. On our, obviously we have all these drill sizes, and there are different speeds and feeds. Aaron put this in the back. We hit our little motor symbol, drills, taps, mills. If I hit the drill, there's the stations. And hit edit, it will highlight it so you can see it.
See the checkbox? The checkbox tells him what's in the turret.
In there now.
And if he changes anything on that page, he can change the words in 2964, anything. It'll instantly change it on the buttons on the other side. If he makes one green or one check mark and takes one off, it'll make the box green and the other one go gray.
Yeah. So like if we decide all of a sudden we're not drilling a 453 hole, we want to drill a 455 hole, whatever. I could come in and change that to 455. Now my button will say 455 on the other side. And I want to run it at a different surface footage. There's my surface footage, so I can change. If I decide, hey, I want to go to all carbide bits instead of what I'm using, I can change my speed. And there's my feed rate over here. So very, very nice, handy. Do it for the taps and do it for the end mills. He gave us a safety factor on our end mill because it's a 12 millimeter end mill, and that number is a calculated number that we can't change. But when we went to the high feed end mill, which is here, to drill just the access hole, that's the only thing we use it for. And then he gave us the option there to drive.
So you're looking at a 12-station turret on a lathe that has no bearing.